Okay, so right here it says 700. What's it say?
1700.
1700. And this one says 1000. And this one says 900. This one right here says 900 also. This one does too. And it has a screen you can like it has a little menu you can look at, and it has everything. If you want to get on YouTube on here, you just have to put your finger on. And then over here we have $18. I mean $1,800, $1,700, $1,800, $700. And if you come here, this is another one that's 700. If you look over here, there's a little like screen over here that you can like draw on. You can press on like any of these, and you can like erase it from right here and right here and right here. You can draw by picking this, picking the color, and picking the type, and picking how big you want it to be. And then
Show them the drawers inside of them.
oh yeah. And then the drawers inside of them, you have to do this. I'm kind of confused with this one, but yeah, that's the way it is. And this one's here. This is what's inside of it. It's a little code out that comes. There's a light code and out of it. And I'm opening it. If you shut it, but be just while you shut it, because it might kind of like break and stuff. And if you right here, this is a little like drawer you can open, and it has like you can place like code food. I think you can place some food in here too. And like, this is what's inside of it. There's really nothing in here. It's just this. And then on the very bottom, this is the thing, but it's on the bottom. It got some stuff. It's like an ice thing.
Is it a freezer?
Yeah, it's a freezer. It has a little ice scoop right here where you can put the ice right here and scoop it out.
So it's got an ice maker on the bottom and on the top?
Yeah, on the bottom and on the top.
Wow.
This one right here. This one is where you get the drinks.
Yeah, I think this one's just water, so it does have the ice on the bottom.
And the water you can put inside. And that one is inside. Right here it's $5,500.
550.
550 and 900. The 550.
Ooh, that one's nice for 900. You want to open it and show them?
Yeah, I'm gonna open this one first. This
Okay.
one right here is a refrigerator too. It is not coated nowhere.
What's on the top?
Not in. And then on the top, it's right there. It's not coated here either.
Is it not plugged in or something?
No, it's not. And it is a cute plastic color. And then right here, there's an ice maker on the outside. And then if you go inside, oh gosh, this is hard. Okay, if you go inside, there's a box that it has refrigerator to do. Or it's things inside of there. This one I don't think we can open because it's hard for people to probably open this one. Yeah, open it. It's the same thing as the other one on this one, but it has like things. It's not cold because it's not plugged in yet. And then right here is another refrigerator for 16.
1700.
1700. Inside, this is kind of like the other one that was
That one is nice. I like that one.
It's like black and white. There's an ice maker on the inside. And then, you know how you see the other one right there? That one is the same as this one. Yeah, the same right here.
Oh, the drawers are the same?
See? I don't think it's good. Yeah, the drawer is the same too.
Ooh, is there an ice maker down there?
Yeah.
Wow. You can't beat that deal for $1,700.
And then,
That is a great deal.
if you come over here, it's a $700. It's $500. And this is a refrigerator
Oh.
that goes inside of your garage.
Ooh.
At least you're in your backyard, if you have one. And you're in your backyard, you can just like put stuff and food in here too, like your regular refrigerator puts in your refrigerator. And then when you're outside and you get hungry or thirsty, you can just walk in the garage and give you something inside this refrigerator. And inside of here, it's a freezer. It's not called like it because it's not plugged in. This thing is kind of like the same, but it has this thing where you pull it like this, and it's kind of different on that one. This one is 150, and it's just in here, yes. And then you can plug in like some regular refrigerators, like you put your light. And then right here, it's the thing. It has a little like blue thing in the back where you can like do this to like warm it up, I think. And then right over here, it's I can't tell how to say so far.
850?
Huh?
850?
850. In here, it has a little plastic on this thing right here, and right here. Let me open this one.
Ooh, so they're brand new?
Yeah. Make sure I don't hit that. Okay. And right here, there's still cabinet right here, so because you don't put nothing right here, I think. It's the same right here. And yeah, I don't think you open this, Dad. Oh yeah.
There's the trays that go.
Yeah, this is where you put the ice in, actually. And then the cold like food right there.
There's all the trays that go in the door.
And then the
Wow.
that goes in the door. And then this is the refrigerator. Okay.
All right, what do you want to tell them?
There's more. There's more.
Oh, there's more. Okay.
Okay. And then these other refrigerators, it's kind of the same as the other one that's over there, but it's different colors. And it doesn't. Right there. And if you open right here, yes, this is what it looks like. So right here. And then if you go over here, you have the same thing as that one, but it doesn't have the box inside of it. It has this stuff. There's cabinets on the bottom. There's cabinets on the bottom, and there's little things right here that you can put your food at. And then this one, there's so many refrigerators with a lot of ice makers. So if you really want an ice maker on your refrigerator and you buy a refrigerator, just know don't buy some of these refrigerators. If you want an ice maker on your refrigerator, just get these ones because these ones are a little cheaper, but like 800, and then 500 is somewhere over here, and this is inside of it. A box thing, and then if you come, it's say over here. Right here's the same thing as these. This one's kind of the same as the other ones, but they have like a refrigerator, and then right here, I know this one's the same as the other ones on the bottom, because all of them are. And then right here, you can pull these and then open them. And then open them. It's hard to open these ones. And it has a lot of parts in here. But be careful when you're trying to do something. It will drop. Then you black things on these. And on the bottom, you know what's on the bottom? This one's hard to open. I think the whole door is shut together. It won't open. So this one, I feel like it's too close right here. So we're gonna open this side. So on this side, it might be on the same as this side. I can't really open this side because it looks like it's going to hit the wall as it gets to it there.
So what about those right there?
And these are laundry mats.
They're laundry mats?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's 500. And this one is 550.
Yep.
And this one is, if you have them both together, it'll be $1,000 if you have them together. And then over here, let's see.